Crochet.
Yes, all right. This is also very interesting. If you can look at the cornrow, just know we're going to do the small cornrows, the small crochet, and this is Miami from Darling, Uganda. It is Miami Curls from Darling, Uganda. So those ones who would want to get these Miami Curls, please just follow that link in the description. It is going to take you through and see how Miami looks like, and then you buy all the colors that you will need are available. It is Miami Curls from Darling, Uganda. The link is the description. You can get it and they will always get it to you from where you are. So as soon as possible we're done with that, let's try to see how the Miami Curls can do when it comes to the crochet. We have been using it in different ways, like we have been using it when we are doing like these goddess braids, then you just add in it there. And those ones who have been doing the boho braid, still we have been using it. So its curls are very nice. As usual, when something is not when something it is synthetic, we always need to take care of it. And those ones who don't take care of these curls, just know you're the one who always say that maybe they tangle a lot. But always please try to follow the instructions. Like if the hairstylist tells you to use a certain product for them to always look good, please try to do so. So this one you can always use the moss and plus the curly activator, all those other curly sprays. Yes, the moisturizers, you can always use them for this hair, because it is really very fine as long as you take good care of them. But just because most people always leave it dry without spraying it, and you find itself detangling. So if you do that, trust me, and I promise you're not going to regret. This is Miami from Darling Company, and I used the 2 pieces. These 2 pieces were enough for me for this kind of a hairstyle. You're going to see it can do a lot of hairstyles, as you're going to see in the video. So you can choose which one was the best for you. As we continue, write in the comment section, tell me which style that was best for you, so that I can also know. And please, whenever you watch these videos, don't always forget to give me a like, or if you have any question, you can always ask me and I'll always be there to answer you. Please tell me where you're watching this video from, and make sure you leave me a like. I always love that. This is very nice. It is very light on the head, and it can really do last longer. So see how it looks, and you tell me which style that will you need first. Yes, you tell me the style that you would want to do first. Okay, that you'd want to do. Yes, that's how it is. My name is Maurice, the Crochet Master. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to everyone who is watching wherever you are. And as I told you, we have a School of Beauty. Yes, you can always come and register so that we can do it together. And I'm one of the instructors to teach you all that. Those ones who are very far, trust me, you can go click on that link, www.hairbyclippersinstitute.com. It's going to take you through all the courses, and you choose wherever you want to, and you take that one. Still, you will be able to learn more of the hairstyle, and trust me, you'll always be a pro like me. So for now, let's see which one is the best for you. Bye bye. See you in the comment section.
Hair by clippers.
muchikumi, we give it out tetuleka you with the best to none. Anyawa kana ruleta tujja kulaga embiri twazitenga. Tuli ba big baller, shot callers, tukola kwa babaze ulida. So high in the sky, we know how to make it glam and look so splash it. Everybody, sleepers, we the best. Yeah. Everybody, sleepers, we the best. Everybody, sleepers, we the best. Everybody, sleepers, we the best. Yeah, everybody, sleepers. Everybody, sleepers. Yeah. Everybody, sleepers. Everybody, sleepers. Yeah. Everybody, sleepers. Everybody, sleepers. Everybody, sleepers. Everybody, sleepers. Oyagala omulembe jangu tutambule n'omulembe. Oyagala ebiriko jangu ffe tukuwe ebiriko. Oyagala omulembe jangu tutambule n'omulembe. Oyagala ebiriko jangu ffe tukuwe ebiriko. Hair by clippers. Hair by clippers. Hair by clippers. Hair by clippers. Crochet master. Sometimes you need a little loving. Oyagala kola kaviri oshanane. Hey, you need some little pampering. Nomukono mukugo gumanyiche kukola. Kitakiwa crochet master. Yakugu kamoviri kati master. Makeup uono genius. Akukola kono nyuma. Jangu ewa crochet master. Come on. Jangu. Crochet master. Crochet master. Maurice. Maurice.